So this is a leased field. It's about 5 acres across the street from my field. The hay in it is not very good, very weedy. This is my worst field. The first 30 to 50 yards of field are a lot of weeds. This stuff down here is okay, but has a little bit of weeds in it also. When I planted this, we went into a drought, so the hay never really took off. The seed, it's all Timothy and alfalfa. I planted the same mix over here. My field has a lot of really nice Timothy and alfalfa in it, and this field I haven't really noticed too much Timothy at all, really. A little bit. Like this is Timothy here. This is not foxtail. So this is my Amish neighbor. He's still mowing for me and baling, doing it all for me. I don't have any time. So we're gonna bale. We're gonna leave like the first 40 yards from the road, lay, and rake and bale the rest of it. We'll just head out what's by the road. But this is Timothy, not the foxtail. The weather's been crap. We haven't been able to get very many spans of 3 days where it doesn't rain this whole spring and summer so far. But I mean, there's a little bit of rain right there. It's gonna go just north of us, and it's supposed to rain a little bit tomorrow possibly. But we're only cutting this, and I'll show you my other leased ground, which is much nicer hay. And then we're gonna do my field another time, because I have to go put the floor, build up the floor in my new hay barn so I can put hay in it. I gotta get that done today. Mowing it, I mean, I wish I would have mowed it a month and a half ago, but just it's been crap weather. And then when we did have a nice span a couple weeks ago, it was going into the 4th of July weekend, and of course I had to go away for a wedding. This hay is okay. It's not the best, but if we can get it off sooner and prevent things from reseeding. But as you can see here, this is all Timothy, and this is probably foxtail. And it doesn't look like foxtail at this point, but there's a baby deer. Baby deer right there. See it running across the field. This is all Timothy. So this is a pretty decent stand of Timothy. The heads are starting to turn brown. A little bit of weeds in this, but this back part's doing pretty good. With all the rain we got this year, the hay really took off this year, this growing season, because it was so wet. All my seed actually did pretty good this year that I put in last year that didn't do good. So I haven't seen the back field, but this is the front field, and then there's a smaller field over there that looked really nice. Like I didn't even see really any weeds in it, but just there's some weeds in this, don't get me wrong. I'm just looking to see if I see any. This hayfield looks a lot better than the one we just left. We'll see what the back looks like. I never even came and looked at it. And then the small one looks really good. Here's the back field. It looks pretty good. Not too bad on weeds for not being able to spray with the Timothy alfalfa mix. It looks pretty nice. And here's the small field. It did really good this year. I mean, it's kind of sparse right here, but it came in good. You can actually see my planting lines through here. So you can actually see the rows there. It's pretty good. Did real well. This field surprisingly is actually probably the best field now. I mean, my big field's good, thankfully, because that's the most volume, but this field is pretty nice. See some Timothy in there, a little bit of alfalfa. I'm pretty happy with how this little field did. It's only about an acre, but. And here's from the other side of the field. If you look at some of my old videos when I planted, this area up here didn't grow too well on the tree line. It actually filled in pretty nice this year. In the spring, you could see the rows. You can still see the rows in my field here from when I planted, so pretty happy about that.